Tell me the stories of Jesus. I love to hear things I would ask him to tell me if he were here. Hi, welcome to Guitarlele Grampa. I'm Jim Henkel, welcoming you to a channel that celebrates Jesus in song, scripture, and occasional commentary. Let's see what today's video has in store. If Christmas brought you a new ukulele or guitarlele like mine, you may be wondering what to play or even how to play. So we want to do just a very simple one-chord song. On the ukulele, you only need to use one finger to finger the chord, and a simple strum pattern of downstrokes. One downstroke per beat. This song is in 4/4, so it needs just one downstroke per beat. That's the ukulele fingering. Second finger, second fret, fourth string, counting up from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger, second fret, fourth string, and then play all 4 strings on your ukulele. Now a guitarlele with 6 strings has the 5th string. Moving your second finger, second fret, 5th string, third finger, your ring finger, second fret, 4th string, and we have an A minor. Play all 6 strings. Poor bird, take your flight high above the sorrows of this sad night. If you fly out of sight, I know I can find you soaring high tonight. Simple little song. Ah, bold bird, also known as a poor bird. But I wonder why the bird was poor. He gets to fly and soar high and be bold. A bold bird. A bold bird, take your flight high above the sorrows of this sad night. So what do birds have to do with Jesus? Jesus said we should consider the birds. We should consider the birds of the air and think about how God takes care of them and does everything for them, provides them food and a place to build their nest and water to drink. Jesus says, consider the birds of the air. Consider the birds of the air. Look at the flowers growing in the soil. These never toil, yet your Father above feeds and clothes them with his love. Consider the birds of the air. Don't you worry, yet your Father above feeds and clothes them with his love. Consider the birds of the air. Consider the birds of the air. Consider the birds of the air. Even that bold bird that we sang about in that very simple song. Consider. If you fly out of sight, I know I can find you soaring high tonight. If you like what you heard, subscribe to the channel, Guitarlele Grampa. We'll see you in the next video.